What's up, everybody? My name is Drew. When I was a kid, my dad told me about a time when he was a kid and they couldn't afford like Halloween costumes and stuff. And he said when they wanted to be ninjas, they would get an old t-shirt and just put the shirt over their head. I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how to make a ninja mask / COVID-19 quarantine mask. Tune in. Here we go. Step 1. You want to get a t-shirt. Make sure that the t-shirt is not sleeveless. Make sure it has sleeves. The sleeves are very important. Step 2. Take the shirt, put it over your head, but not all the way over. Don't put your head all the way through the neck. You're going to use the neck hole, put it over your eyes, like so. Step 3, you're going to take the sleeves and you're going to tie them behind your back, okay? Check this out. Like so. You don't have to tie a knot either. But there you go. Voila! You have a COVID-19 mask slash a ninja costume for Halloween. If you don't have any money to go out and buy a costume, or you just want to save money, dude, you got a ninja costume. Pretty awesome. And you could take this part too and put it over your head now that it's tied, and you got your COVID-19 mask out of a t-shirt. How about that, buddy? If you really want to add some flair to your ninja costume, all you gotta do is get a bandana like so. Make sure that it's rolled up like a headband, and then take this part, boom, tie this behind your head. You could tie this in a knot if you'd like. And you are now right. Thank you so much again for watching. Hope to see you next time. I think this is probably my only tutorial I'll ever am. I don't know. This is the only one I'm ever gonna do. So with that being said, I love you.